Hi, boys and girls. This is Mrs. Coriano again. I am going to do another lesson that maybe you missed on today because of all the internet trouble. So, we are going to do our little poem. So, I'd like for you to find your one red square poem. You're going to need a pencil and you're going to need your red crayon. Okay. So when we do poems, we like to study the words and we like to draw pictures that go with our poem. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to read you the poem. And it says one red square. So it says one red square. See how it's shaped, see how it's shaped. Four big corners it does have, four big corners it does have. One red square. All right. Sorry about the singing, it's a little bit flat, but I tried my best to reach that note. Okay, so the title is One Red Square. And so what we're going to do is we always try to count how many words are in the title. So the way we do that is we're going to circle the first word, and then the second word, and then the third word. One red square. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 words in the title. So right next to my title, I am going to write 3. All right. And then we're going to come down to the actual poem and we're going to try to find all the words that say red. And with your red crayon, we are going to color them in. So I'm going to color this one because this says red. Ed, red. All right. And then remember it said one red square. So this is actually red. So we're going to color that in as well. All right. If you want to pause the video because I'm going fast, you can go ahead and do that and catch up. One red square. Oh, it says red right there again. Red. We're going to color that in. See how it's shaped? See how it's shaped? That doesn't say red. 4 big corners it does have. So that doesn't say red. 4 big corners it does have. No red. One red square. So we're going to color in the word red. There we go. Okay. So we're done with that part. And the reason we do that is so that when we read it, we can remember that this is red because it's colored in red. All right. Now the next thing we're going to do is draw a picture that goes with our poem. And what do you think it's going to be? It's going to be a red square. So right here on the top, I'm going to start with a line across. Make sure you're using your pencil so that you can erase if you make a mistake. Then we do 2 lines down. Whoops, this one's a little bit longer there. All right, then I am going to go across this way. And there's my square. There I'm going to take my red crayon and I'm going to outline it first. And then, guess what? I'm going to color it in nice and neat. And there you have one red square poem. And this poem, you can read it to your parents. You can practice with your parents. And one of the things I want you to do when you practice is I want you to point to the words. Because when I say the word red, my finger should be under the word red. It shouldn't be under the square, right? So it should be like this. One red square. One red square, one red square. See how it's shaped and so on, okay? Practice that with your parents and then put it in your ready basket. We're going to use it tomorrow, all right? Have a good day, everyone.